Hello guys, come with us as we explore Bagandang Baras. We have a project in our creative nonfiction subject and we need to submit a vlog. Therefore, this video is educational purposes only. Watch and enjoy. So I went to my friend's house to sort out of things. Then we walked to go to our classmate. After that, we rode a tricycle from the orange house to Bagumbayan. Just like us, Rian and Marquez also rode a tricycle to the corner of the lake. Meanwhile, Briel and Prince rode a motorcycle to Bagandambaras and they arrived ahead of us. After the tricycle driver dropped us out at Bagumbayan, we were confused because we didn't know what to ride. So we asked people we saw here, and luckily we found someone who could help us. Finally, we got on the jeepney and prepared our fare. Like us, Rian and Marquez also rode a tricycle. They just arrived before us. Briel, on the other hand, has already entered the town of Baras. Here, the jeepney driver dropped us off at the corner of Baras and then we boarded a ride to Bagandang Baras. We were precisely dropped off here at the Kasarinlan Eco Park or Bagandang Baras. We waited here for a while because we forgot that Rian and Marquez were waiting for us at the Baras corner, heading to Bagandang Baras.
Balik pa po nila, Noble!
This is what you will see upon entering the park. And when we are all ready, we entered together. There's also a playground here with a slide for kids, 2 swings, and 2 seesaws. We also spotted a beautiful view of Bass Lagoon and you can also see here windmill in Pililla from here. You can also see here a fitness playground where you can exercise, making it ideal for those who love to work out. And you also find a small maze here. After that, we walked around and Janie Lynn went down to pick water lilies. Afterwards, we took pictures by the statue and we also noticed some people fishing here, even though there were signs prohibiting fishing.
Hi guys!
And we returned here to eat and we challenged ourselves to have a 100 pesos challenge. We all ordered pastil. And while we were waiting for our food, I glanced at a nearby store to buy more snacks, and I bought myself grilled hot dog and a cold halo-halo. While Janie Lynn also ordered milk tea, and afterward, we also bought mangoes with shrimp paste. And the most exciting part was the boat ride. We boarded the boat at 5:30 p.m. It was so nice here, and it was also my first time riding a boat. By the way, the fare for that boat is only 30 pesos per person, but if you prefer the special ride, you need to pay for 120 pesos. After a few minutes, you will see one of the most beautiful views here in Bagandang Baras because you can see here a wide seascape and a stunning sunset. That's why I suggest that you be here around 5:30 p.m. so that you can watch the sunset. And it's time to go home. I and my classmates are rode together to jeepney. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us as we discover the beauty of this place. Thank you and goodbye.